Hello, teacher. Who are your closest friend? How do you do me? My closest friend is called Marcel Mestre Rubio. She is a lion de Chile. For a long time, they married to someone from there. We are a friend we haven't spoken for a really but we are very close. I met her the church of the Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints. How many friends do you have the sourcing new for? I have a lot of people on my social network, but don't stay the much. Where is your friend with your work going off? When last very firm but I have very close my friend and the school who haven't had contact with her and why. Do you have any friend the student life explain with? Yes, I am friend your student life. They make her good friends and the sort they many abilities attract people. Thank you.